If you create anything digital, you know the absolute frustration of breaking your flow state. You have an incredible vision in your mind. But translating it means jumping between 5 different applications. You are spending 40% of your time just moving assets. Exporting from Blender, importing to Premiere. Then taking that to Ableton for sound design. It is a fragmented, chaotic mess that kills creativity. Artificial intelligence was supposed to fix this. We got chatbots, but they live in a separate browser window. You ask for a design, and then you still have to manually port that code or image back into your workspace. It is like having an assistant who refuses to enter your actual office. The friction remains massive. Every time you switch context, you lose focus. You lose the exact creative spark you were trying to capture. And it is getting worse. As production quality demands skyrocket, the software stacks are becoming incredibly dense. Artists are forced to become technical integrators. Instead of painting or editing, you are managing file formats. Think about a simple animation. You need vector art, 3D objects, particle systems, and audio tracking. The mental load of holding all those timelines and layer structures in your head is completely exhausting. Listen to what one lead designer at a major studio recently said.
"We are drowning in tools. I spend more time fighting the interface than I do actually creating art."
That is the reality. The very tools meant to empower us have become the biggest technical bottleneck. But that entire paradigm just shattered. Anthropic has released a massive update that changes everything. They introduced direct connectors for Claude, effectively wiring the AI directly into your creative software. This is not a plugin. This is native integration with Adobe Creative Cloud, Ableton, Splice, and SketchUp. It also connects to Canva, Affinity, Resilium, Autodesk Fusion, and Blender. The entire creative stack. Claude can now read your timeline, understand your layers, and manipulate your project files natively. Imagine sitting in Premiere. You tell Claude to sync the B-roll to the beat of the music track. It analyzes the Ableton project, finds the transients, and cuts the video layers instantly. Zero exporting. Or you are in Blender. You ask the assistant to generate a procedural texture for a concrete wall. It writes the Python script, executes it in Blender, and applies the node tree directly to your object. The CEO of Anthropic described this shift perfectly.
"We are moving from a conversational agent to an embedded collaborator. It sees what you see and acts on it."
This eliminates the friction. The AI is no longer in a browser. It is holding the mouse alongside you. For music producers in Ableton, it can arrange MIDI clips, process audio effects, and mix stems automatically. For visual artists in SketchUp or Fusion, it can iterate 3D topography or structural models in real time. We are entering an era where your imagination is the only limit. The technical barrier has been completely destroyed. If you are a creative, this is the moment everything scales. The future of creative work will never look the same.